Hi guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel where we cook delicious meals and are very easy to prepare. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to prepare marinated chicken with ukwaju and barbecue sauce. Stay tuned. For this recipe we need chicken, apple cider vinegar, soy sauce, garlic, thyme, rosemary, black pepper, salt. So these ingredients I'll use to marinate the chicken. For the ukwaju barbecue sauce, we'll need the ukwaju sauce. This is tamarind, it's also called tamarind. Tomatoes. This is ketchup, honey, this is dania stalks, onion, garlic, garam masala, and curry powder. So what I'll do, I'm going to marinate the chicken, and for the best result you should marinate for 3 to 4 hours or overnight. Yeah, so I'm marinating my chicken with rosemary and thyme, garlic, ginger, salt. I'm going to put 1 tablespoon of soy sauce, and apple cider vinegar. If you do not have apple cider vinegar, you can use the normal vinegar. It will still work well, but the apple cider vinegar has a very strong flavor. That is why I love using it. So ensure that the marinade goes kabisa, yani you mix everything together. We are going to let it marinate, and then we will go back to the cooking. So I've already marinated my chicken for like 3 hours. So I'm going to boil it, and then later I'll brown it. As the chicken boils, I'm going to prepare the sauce, the ukwaju barbecue sauce, where we are going to dip in our chicken later. So I'm putting my oil. I'm going to put my onion, the coriander stem, and the garlic. I'm going to put my tomatoes. I'm putting the tomato sauce. The ukwaju. And then 2 tablespoons of honey. Then I'm going to put the Garam Masala and the curry powder. I'm going to put a bit of salt. And black pepper. We are going to let this simmer for like 5 minutes. And our sauce is done. My chicken is already boiled up, as you can see. So I'm going to brown it and then I'm going to dip it in the sauce later. So I'm putting my oil. Waiting for it to heat up. Then I'll add my chicken. I'm dipping my chicken. I'm waiting for the chicken to brown. And then I'm going to dip it in the sauce. I'm going to make sure both sides of the chicken are well brown. So guys, you remember our sauce, the one that we kept aside? So we're going to dip the chicken inside the Ukwaju barbecue sauce. And then we're going to give it a good mix to ensure every part of the chicken has the sauce. Ooh. Let's put some coriander leaves. Going to leave it for a few seconds and then we're going to get it out. Guys, our chicken is ready, as you can see, and it looks so delicious and it looks so beautiful. So you can have this chicken with rice, you can have it with ugali, you can have it with mashed potatoes, you can have it with fries. I mean, you can have it with any accompaniment that you think itakubamba. Thank you so much for watching. Thank you so much for supporting me. Please share, subscribe, and like. And I wish you a Merry Christmas and a Happy New Year. And please don't forget that Christ is the reason for this season. Bye.